Hello and welcome to SINEE Global. My name is Björn. I am the founder and the owner of SINEE, and normally I do tutorials in German language, and maybe you know me from YouTube but you don't understand me because I'm speaking German. Today I do my first English speaking video, and excuse me, my English is not so good, but I think if you don't speak German you understand my English better than my German. So I want to show you how I work with return channels and how I achieve those dense atmosphere sounds. Let's take a look in one of my return channels. Take this noise lead. It's just from the modular. What I can do now is send in the return. Okay, this is what the return channel is doing. I have a shifter here, he's modulated by the LFO, just the cross frequency, so you have always a little movement. The LFO is really slow. Then there's a reverb, 100% red, really long decay, a drum bass. I really like the drum bass and use the compressor in the drum bass. It's a really hard compression, crunch and damp drive. Wait. Yeah. Pulls up the reverb, then overdrive. I use a SUSI to reduce the sharpness of the sound, then the decimod to get this grainy sound because it's 8-bit and really low sample frequency. But I use dry wet because that's too heavy. And then I have two auto pans. The first one, the auto pan I'm using here, it's more like a side chain. It's not to make left and right pannings. It's just a side chain. And I have a 4-to-the-4 side chain. And another one with a polymetric 1/6. So there is always a little more movement. And then what's really important to know is that this returns, I always do my returns, my effect chains in another way. So I do not often use the same return effect chain the same time in another project. I always like to build those blocks and put them together and learning by doing. And of course I can't send everything statically in this chain because then you always have this. For me this is too much. What I'm doing now is to only send little pulses to those effect chains. I think this is one of my main moves I always do. Like this backing noise. I have backing noise. It's a noise from the modular, playing like this. It's always there. And then I send it really short into this channel. And you got this I always use a send bus where all my return channels going through, because here I can reduce those muddy frequencies. Again, have a LFO here with a filter, so more movement, and can filter all my atmospheres on one point away. Cut it off or automate the volume. And if you do it like this, you can, for me, it's always a arrangement thing. I have the ride here, and what I can do now is when the ride ends, I can automate the send, and then I have this. It's like an outro for the ride in the context. So I really like those smooth arrangements where everything is going in an atmosphere, went away, go far, comes closer. And yeah, this is the way I work with those return channels. And when you think, oh, in this part there could be more movement, no problem. I do it like this. You can put it on everything, on hi-hats. So there's always happening a little stuff. Okay, I hope you enjoy my English lesson and understand what I want to tell you. Yeah, if you like Sine, like the channel, follow us. We are now global. And of course, you can check our online shop. There are a lot of really, really good sample packs and templates. And in the future, of course, masterclasses in English language. So, see you soon. Bye bye.